Here's a nice looking 1972 Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe. Nice looking car in red here, black interior. This particular car does still retain the original engine. So this would be a numbers matching 350 underneath the hood. As you can see, it has the SS grille and badging. No claim that this is a true SS. Just dressed up nicely. I consider it a nice driver quality car. See the bright work in the front. Nice shape. The 350 underneath the hood is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Nicely equipped car. Power steering, power brakes. AC is still intact. AC does blow cold. Just tried it out before starting this video and AC is blowing cold. See, it's riding on rally wheels, white lettered BF Goodrich tires. Again, I call it a nice driver quality car. Paint has a nice luster to it. Yeah, you may find a few small blemishes here and there, a little touch up. You kind of see this right there on the hood. So a few little spots where it's touched up, but overall shows very, very nice. Nice one to take down the road. Don't be afraid to go to your local cruise-ins, local shows, or hey, just out having some fun. Got a nice rumble to it. Solid underneath. You can check out the still pictures. So you can see the engine bay, trunk, underside. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this car. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can help you out with transportation to where you're located at. Interior is a black vinyl bucket seat car, horseshoe shifter, the center console, little aftermarket tack on the steering column. Aftermarket radio underneath there, still possesses the AM stock radio in the dash. Slip around to the back here. Chrome bumper, nice shape. Some chrome tips coming out the back, dual exhaust. Once again, check out the still pictures. You can check out the exhaust underneath. Anything you'd like to take a peek at, spend a little time looking at it. UniqueClassicCars.com, where you can find those pictures. Once again, our phone number 507-386-1726. See, that car's nice and straight, not full of dings or nicks or scratches up and down the sides of it. Take a look at this interior. Appears to be original door cards. Vinyl bucket seats. Pulled the floor mat out on this side so you see the carpeting. Appears that the rear seat has been recovered along the way. 6x9s on the rear deck there. The aftermarket stereo. Wipers worked. Had those going a little while ago also. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. See, it starts easily. Like I said, I did have the AC on a little earlier. It does blow cold. Fan and everything worked. No crazy cam to it or anything. Nice running 350 underneath the hood. Slip around to the back. Little rumble to it, but nothing crazy. Again, I'd consider it a nice driver. Like I said earlier, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can sure assist you with transportation to where you're wanting this delivered to. I'm going to slip around the front here, pause the video, this pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay. Alright, hood popped. As you can see, nice and tidy underneath there. What you'd expect out of a stock 72 Chevelle Malibu engine compartment. So it's hooked up for the AC. It's working, power steering, power brakes. Just nice and tidy. There you have it, 1972 Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe. A little bit of SS badging on it. Factory AC car that blows cold, power steering, power brakes. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And of course, one last time on the website for still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Do consider trades, financing available, and we can sure assist you with the transportation. Give us a call.